In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile color in Asana. We'll start right in your web browser. Head to your preferred search engine and type Asana. From the results, click the official Asana website to open your workspace. Once Asana loads, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click it to open your account menu and then choose Profile. This opens your personal profile page, where you can manage how you appear across projects and tasks. Next, select Edit Profile. Here's the key idea. Asana doesn't offer a separate color picker for your profile. Instead, the color people see next to your name is driven by your profile picture. So to change your profile color, we'll update your photo. Click Upload your photo. Your device's file picker will appear, showing your folders and images. Browse to the image you want to use, select it, and then click Open. Asana will attach that image to your profile. A quick tip here. If your goal is to lean into a particular color, choose an image with a solid or dominant background in that color, or a headshot placed over a colored backdrop. That way, the color stands out clearly wherever your avatar appears. High contrast, square images also tend to look crisp in the circular avatar frame. Once your new photo is in place, give the page a moment to refresh so you can preview how it looks next to your tasks and comments. If it's not quite what you wanted, you can repeat the upload and try a different image until you're happy with the look. While we're improving visuals, you can also adjust Asana's overall theme to match your preference. Go back to your profile area and choose Display. In the Theme section, you can switch between a light appearance or a black, high-contrast look. Light offers a bright, clean interface, while black provides a darker theme that can reduce eye strain in low-light environments and make accent colors feel richer. Pick the one that best complements your new profile color and your working conditions. That's all there is to it. By updating your profile photo and selecting the display theme you prefer, you'll quickly refresh how your presence appears across Asana. This small tweak makes it easier for teammates to spot your tasks at a glance and gives your workspace a more personalized feel. If you ever want to change it again, just return to your profile, upload a new image, and adjust the theme as needed.